Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate landing page A/B tests with Optimizely. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Optimizely account.
Navigate to the project where your existing affiliate landing page A/B test is located. Click on the Experiments tab in the left-hand menu. Select the A/B test you wish to transfer. Review the settings of the selected A/B test to ensure you have all the necessary information.
Take note of any variations you have created.
Next, click on the Create Experiment button. Choose A/B test from the experiment options.
Name your new experiment appropriately for your tracking purposes. Set the same objectives as your original A/B test. In the Variations section, recreate the variations you had in your previous A/B test. Ensure that the traffic allocation for your new experiment matches the original. Copy over any custom targeting conditions from the original A/B test. If you utilized any audience segmentation in the previous test, configure this in the new experiment. Review any additional settings like the duration of your test and the goals that align with your brand. Consider reviewing analytics from the previous A/B test to inform your approach for the new one. Once all configurations are complete, double-check for accuracy. Now, click the Save button to preserve your new A/B test settings. Finally, launch the new experiment to start collecting data. Monitor the performance regularly to analyze visitor engagement and conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.